In number 127, your classwork for quadratic functions asks you to perform a transformation on a function f of x. So here we have a j of x given by 1/2 f of x minus 2. If we just plug in this f of x into our j of x equation, so we have j of x equals 1/2 x squared minus 2. So we have two transformations here. First, we have a vertical shift. So our vertical shift is k equals -2. So we move 2 down. And also we have this scaling factor. So we scale it by 1/2, which means that the graph is going to be kind of squashed outwards. So if we go ahead and graph this, so from our original function, so I'll put that in, let's see, blue. If our original function was x squared, so x squared will look something like this. 1, -1, that at 4, and that at -3, 9. So if this is our original function, if we move it down 2, we'd end up here. And also, since we multiply x squared by 1/2, this means that our parabola will open up at a slower rate. So it'll look something more like this. Maybe not as extreme, maybe just more like this, but you get the picture. It's not as steep, I would say. So we have a scaling factor of 1/2. Our domain exists from -infinity to infinity. Our range is from this minimum point, so -2, all the way to infinity, since it opens upwards. We have a minimum point here, which is 0, -2. We have x-intercepts, so when y is equal to 0, so we have 0 equals 1/2 x squared minus 2. If we add 2, so we have 2 equals 1/2 x squared times both sides by 2. We have 4 equals x squared, take the square root, x equals plus or minus 2. So we have, well, that's actually drawn really off scale. So we have x-intercepts at plus or minus 2. So it'll look like this. And, okay, -2, 0, then 2, 0. We have a y-intercept that is 0, -2. Our function is increasing on the right side of the vertex, so that's from 0 to infinity, and it's decreasing from on the other side, on the left side, from -infinity to 0. In this case, since the vertex sits on the y-axis, we do have since that is the axis of symmetry, this function is even. And our end behavior, as we look towards -infinity and positive infinity, our parabola opens upwards, so it is increasing as you go either left or right.